are suffering because of it. One of the best ways to overcome this is to build the nature to its former glory. We are making a lot of effort to achieve it, but our efforts are falling short. The wood usage throughout the world is very high, and it dominates our efforts. About 40 to 50% of the raw wood material becomes residue when the bricks are processed every year. We intend to use this residue to fabricate materials that can be used to make household objects such as chairs, tables, tiles, and building materials like bricks, etc. By this, we will be able to prevent the residue from falling into the nature and thereby reducing pollution. The components used to fabricate our media are the wood residue, epoxy L556 resin, and hardener H595. We combined all the three components and fabricated a composite material. The material possesses high specific strength, water resistance, and smooth finish. Let's have a look at the material. First, we shall have a look onto the texture of the material. As you can see, the material has a smooth finish and has a glossy texture. The material came just right. It's of the shape of the mold. It has some imperfections, but they can be covered by placing another layer of the material above this. Now, let's check the weight of the material. The material is 30 cm in length, 20 cm in breadth, and has a thickness of 3.5 cm. As you can see, the material is approximately 700 grams, which is quite less for this size. Now, let's check its interaction with water. Here is a glass of water. I am going to pour on the material. Let's see how it. As you can see, all the water falls from the material down to the ground. And there is no water left on the material. And just by rubbing, you can see that the material has become dry. We have searched online and talked with experts for similarities. The only one we found that shows resemblance is the use of wood powder to fabricate laminated wood, but it's heavy, not water resistant, and does not possess much strength. Our material passes all the requirements. Our project is not a cutting-edge technology, but it surely is a cutting-edge revolution. Let's make a change in deforestation. Go green, go pollution free. We have asked one of the carpenters to review our material. Let's see what he has to say about it. ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಣ್ಣ? ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಗೆ?
ಮೂಲೆಯಾಗ ಈಸಿಎಂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉರ್ಕ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಕಚ್ ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು. ಇರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಡೋರ್ ಗೀರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಬಂದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನೈತೆ ಈ ಸೈದ ಶೇಮ ಬರಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದನ್ನ?
ಅಂತಾರ ಖರ್ಚು
ಅಣ್ಣ. ಇದು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ? ಇದು
ವೇಟ್ ಐತೆ, ಚಲೋ ಐತೆ. ವೇಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವುಡ್ಕಿನ?
ಡೋರ್ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ದಪ್ಪಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಇಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಈ ಪುಣೆ 2 ಇಂಚ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. 1 ಇಂಚ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಡೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇಂಚ್. 1 ಇಂಚ್ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ
ಮಳೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಮಳೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಬೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ.
ಒಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಥದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ ಅಣ್ಣ? ಒಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ?
ವೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ರಿ.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಗುಣ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಹಾಂ.